Hello everybody. Today I may be getting myself into some trouble. We have an 84 motorhome, champion flavor. So, goal of today is get this thing fired up. It's been sitting for a few years, don't know how many. Get it fired up, get it running, and drive it back to the house. We're looking at 30 minutes to an hour on the road. I know it's short. Let's get to it. Welcome to Treerow Rescue. Alright, so let's walk around. It seems to be in fairly decent shape. Dents, dings, but all the metal siding is intact. So it's not terrible. I mean, I've seen worse. Dinger. But I mean, it's here. It's together. The exterior is held together by things other than duct tape, so that's a plus. Let's go inside. Let's make it quick, because I want to get this thing on the road. I have a lot of other things to do today. I said it wasn't held together with tape. It's okay. Come on. So, per the Facebook ad that I found, it's accurate. No paneling. That's okay. Fresh start. We got a sink. Where's the bathroom? I gotta go. There it is. It's in the bedroom. It's in the bedroom. Don't mind me, babe. Anyway, let's see what we got for a power plant. Not bad. I could have done worse, you know. A little saggy in the cabinetries. We got a, wow, like a brand new spare. Don't make that two brand newish spares. May need those. Don't know. Let's see what we got. It's got a nice dash. Overlook the wires hanging around. A little bit of water damage. Probably hence why all the rest of the paneling is down. But that's just half the work's over. I mean, even though it's a motorhome, it needs to be saved, right? It's a classic. It's an 84. It's crazy that 84 is a classic now. I tried to pick up a 60s model, but man, was it broken. Said no to that one. Anyway. Come on. Here we go. I've gotten this wrong before. This is in fact a 454. Don't believe me? I'll get the casting number. Watch me now. I'll prove it to all y'all hating on me in the comments. Look, watch. Casting number is 861959. What is that? 70s, the late 80s? Big block Chevrolet. Rodents have been in here. I see their nuts. Anyway. That's okay. We'll reuse that. Mouse droppings. Okay. Carburetor. Quadrajet. That's evidently a spider's house. You think it's free? What do you think? Comment below. Do you think it's free? I'll give you a second. It's Chevy. Of course it's free. I'm scared. Oh! Seems to be free. Black Widow comes up, gets me. All of a sudden, I'm Spider-Man. Hey, you heard it here first. You think it turns? Well, it's got a clutch fan on it, so you know, hey, that turns. I gotta get a wrench assist on it. I hope it turns. Let's go see if we got any batteries. Come on, that way. We're up in air. Hopefully it's got winter air in it, because it's getting chilly down here in Florida. Like for 3 days. And then that'll be it. We'll be back to summer junior. Anyway, winter air, hopefully. What do we got on this side? Nothing. Ooh, we got a dipstick. Down on the oil. Let's see. It's got a lot of gas. It's fine, I brought oil. Way down on oil. Get in there, all the way, all the way. We do have a radiator, so that's a good thing. Trans cooler. Coolant, looks like it's got coolant. Hopefully it's actually coolant and not water. It's water. How cold have we gotten so far this year? 36? It'll be all right. It'll be fine. It'll be fine. Heater hose is bypassed. Heater core. Heater core's not doing heater core things. What's over here? Gators, 2006 champions. Well, champions on a champion. Okay with that. No batteries. That's fine. I brought a couple. Oh, there's so much going on in here. I'm just going to guess that these cables are right, you know. That's a positive, but it's black. That's a red cable going to a solenoid, so I'm going to assume that's hot. These two are tied together to the ground, so this is a ground. What's this guy do? And this one. First things first, we got to see if it rotates. We know it's down on oil, so I got to apply some oil, but I want to see if it rotates first. Once we get it rotating, I'll put some oil in it, just because it's really low. Probably low by about 2 or 3 quarts, which is kind of concerning, but hey, it's Chevy, it's gonna leak. And then we'll hook some batteries up and see if we get any smoke. Hopefully we don't get any smoke. I actually got the whole crew here today. So there's Magomos. So the whole crew is going to kind of be involved a little bit here and there. The original owner. Side post. Well, top post. Vice grips it is. Let's see if we let the smoke out. Turn this around, get these out of the way. Oh, look, a buffalo snoozing. I'm assuming that's German for wing nut. That's what my wife tells me. I may have just said something really bad, I don't know, but any hoots.
Not, Dad.
So here's what I got. I mean, if it works, is it stupid? I don't seem to think so. Ta-da! It's ugly. But I didn't let the smoke out, so that's a good thing. Let's get some fuel in this carburetor. As the O2 fires off. It does turn freely, by the way. I just didn't record it because I'm moving quickly today. I'm kind of in a hurry. So let me go get my fuel mixture. You can go ahead and go inside and I'll meet you there. Alrighty. Welcome. So I use this stuff just because it's easier on these older engines. You know, I don't think it would lie to me. Anyway. You get it? Yeah, you get it. Spider webs and all. Let's just kicks and giggles. Let's go. Sure. Now, per GM standard, this is your key. It's very specific. It's channel lock. It grips. All right. What do you think? Place your bets. I'll give you a second. All right, I'm done waiting. I got nothing. Oh. Ooh, we got a radio. So we know that I'm not burning anything off. Let's go. I mean, okay, that's easy. What is this, an Edelbrock? It's an Edelbrock. I was wrong, it's not a Quadrajet, it's an Edelbrock. What is this, an EV? It doesn't look like an EVS2, but it's an Edelbrock. One way that you could tell really easily between the Quadrajet and the Edelbrock is these little doors right here. There's metering rods down inside here that you can adjust, that you could pull out and change your how rich. You could change a lot of things. But yeah, I totally skipped that. So for those 35 of you that just said, that's not a Quadrajet, I understand. I was wrong. It's an Edelbrock. But it fired the valve train. Did you hear that? Let's try again. Let's just turn it over to hopefully build some oil pressure. And hopefully this gauge doesn't work because it's showing 0. Well, it's not hooked up, so it's not going to show me any oil pressure. Let's see if I can do this and bottle feed it at the same time, because I can't exactly fill the bowl. Maybe I can. Fuel going everywhere. I don't hear any accelerator pump. Come on. Lighten down. I don't like the sound of the valve train. I'm gonna watch this fuel oil pressure gauge. Let's see if it lights up. That oil pressure gauge is not hooked up. It jumped all the way up to 60 pounds. All right, let me try to figure this out. See why we ain't got any oil pressure, and I'll bring you back. But anyway, hey, it runs loudly. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for part 1. Tune in next week whenever we get her fired back up and see if it drives all the way to the house. All right, you tell me if you like this part 1, part 2 kind of stuff. If not, comment below. It's up to you guys, really. But as always, you know I appreciate you. And like, comment, subscribe, all the things. And we'll see you right here next week for part 2. Let's see if we get her home. Have a great day. See ya.